Meaning of eventful.
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 Eventful. The word eventful refers to something that is marked by notable or significant events. When an experience or period of time is described as eventful, it suggests that there was a lot going on or a series of noteworthy occurrences took place. The term can be used in a positive or negative context, depending on the nature of the events. For example, a wedding might be described as eventful if there were many memorable moments and happy surprises, while a trip could be called eventful if there were many unexpected setbacks or challenges to overcome.